This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 261BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 8, TV, stove-top burner, water heater, refrigerator, smoke detector, skylight, LP detector, Slideout, carbon monoxide detector, leveling jacks, and 62 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, front kitchen, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 261BH is 6,078 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.